guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a room tour because my room is actually clean for like the first time in forever. We're going to move on straight to right here, which is my little like mirror area, my full-length body mirror, which I don't know exactly where this is from, but I kind of want like a gold one. I want like one that matches this vibe. So if y'all have any suggestions, comment down below. So my mirror, and behind my mirror is like my filming stuff in this bag, like all of my other cameras and stuff, and then my Alexa, and then like some random stuff. We have this little area which is just like a bunch of random stuff. So starting at the top, this is my little mirror. I kind of use this when I put on my jewelry. I have some of my like everyday necklaces attached to it so they don't get tangled. And then right below it I have my jewelry box and a little tennis jelly cat. Aren't these called jelly cats? Yeah, his little tennis jelly cat is so cute. And all of my jewelry is in this, which I really need to organize because it's a hot mess. And then I have this little Vogue Christian Dior book. And then I had a phase where I wanted like all of these from Anthropology, the like board games that are like books. So like you like pull it out, it's like a book or whatever. I went through a phase. I still love them. They're really cute, but like I have nowhere to put them down. And then these are like all of my random, like, I only have a couple books, guys, as you can see. Pretty Little Liars and this Anne Ferris book, which I've started reading. I don't read books, but I read this in like middle school. And then this is a little Hermes book. And then my like magazines. This one's like a little Taylor Swift coloring thing. And then I have like Taylor Swift, random, another Taylor Swift. So they're just like random little magazines. And then right below it, I have, these are like all my makeup palettes. Yes, the whole thing's like full. But I don't ever use these, but I have them in here just in case. So yeah, they stay in there. And then on this side, I have this little empty bottle of rosé that I had for my 21st birthday. A cute little bow on it, some little feather things. These cute mirrors, which I got a long time ago from IKEA, which I have these like everywhere because they're perfect whenever you're doing your hair to like pick it up and look in the back, you know? This little cute tennis Barbie little thing. It's so cute. Then I have this cute little heart little container which has some random stuff in it. This is from HomeSense and I'm obsessed with it. It's literally so cute. Here I have random stuff like deodorant, this little body spray, a little light, random stuff. And here's kind of the same thing, random stuff. These are all like my rollers, my heatless curls, all the little clips that go with my rollers, round brushes, you name it. And then in here is just some hair tools. These are some of my she shells. The rest are at the beach house, but like these are the ones I have here. And then these are like other little seashells. Hang on, I want to open this to show y'all. These are like so cool because I feel like I can make such cute jewelry with them, but I haven't done them. These are from over the years where I was like, these could be such cute jewelry. Like this looks like a potato chip, but it's actually really cute. It's like shiny. It's so cool. And then this one I feel like would be such a cute like little necklace. I don't know, like the beach vibes, you know what I mean? I think I'm crazy, but like I feel like I so could make some cute jewelry with that. And yeah, these are just other random seashells. And then right here I have a box that has all of my like actual hair tools I normally use. My Dyson, my curling irons, all of that kind of stuff. This little container I got from a vintage store, I don't know if that's really what it's called, near me a long time ago, and I was like obsessed because like how cute, and they don't make stuff like this really anymore, and it's just so cute, so I love it. I have my tripod, just random, and then underneath my vanity is a trash can, my little makeup bag, nail polish remover, more makeup, and then this little thing is like a microphone set. I love it. I got it from the TikTok shop. It has like a speaker. It's so cute. And then we have my vanity, which my vanity is actually pretty clean right now. Surprise, surprise. I have my little phone stand. I did a whole vanity organization video, so if y'all want to see this in depth, I will link that video below. But I'm just going to do like a quick overview And yeah, so I have some of my lipsticks right here. This is also another little thing I got from that same vintage store. This is vintage Tiffany's. It was like a Tiffany is from a cruise. I don't know. It's really cool. I don't even know if it's considered vintage because it's the 2000s, but whatever. And then I have like hair ties in it, but I love it. I love Tiffany's, or I went through a whole like Tiffany's phase and I was obsessed, and I literally freaked out when I found this. Like, it's so cute. It's just like a cool little trinket jar. And then makeup brushes, you name it. I have this cute little thing for my beauty blender, and then my little powder puffs sit in this little thing that I handmade. But yeah, so I have them sit right there. And then, yeah, hair stuff. This is my like makeup drawer. Yeah, kind of like I have like concealers, foundations, sunscreens, powders, more lipsticks, and then like random stuff. And so yeah, that's it for my vanity. Oh, and this mirror, light up mirror, I don't know where this, I think this is from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. You can find them literally everywhere. And the vanity is from IKEA. I've had this since I was a child, like literally probably like 7 or 8. I've had this thing, this vanity, since I was like 7 or 8. Most of my furniture I have had since I was like a little kid. And this chair, I really need a new chair because it's honestly kind of disgusting. And I love my little ruffle curtains. These are also like curtains that I've had since I was a child. More of those ruffle curtains over there. And I guess we'll go to this wall. These are little picture frames. I need to change out the pictures because they're pretty old pictures. And then this is like my closet that's full of junk. So we're not going to open that. And then this is another cute little area I got of random stuff. I have this cute little Coach bag, my Bible, Taylor Swift books, this like fun little Taylor Swift thing, this little thing that I'm going to give to my child, and another little Taylor Swift book. Guys, I don't know, my parents just always buy me that kind of stuff. And then I have like random little stuff that people has given me. This is a puzzle, and it's fun fact, I have a Volkswagen Beetle convertible, but it's from the dealership. It's a puzzle inside. How cute. And then I got this little thing, like made these little flowers. And these floating shelves, I believe, are from IKEA also. I have like a bin of mirror balls, disco balls. I don't know where I should hang these, so y'all comment down below where I should put them. And then I have my luggage right here, or like some of my luggage, but honestly, I just have this out because it don't fit anywhere. So I gotta figure out where to put it, but this is my base stuff. And then my nightstand, I have on each side of my bed, I have floating nightstands. These are also from IKEA, guys. I love IKEA. I'm an IKEA stan. This little clock, which needs new batteries, I've had this since I was a child. It's Pottery Barn Kids, guys, and it's so cute. It matches my room like perfectly. This cute little seashell light, super cute. Seashells, and then a little vase with some feathers, super cute. And then these are like my ancient Taylor Swift right here, ancient Taylor Swift, but these are like my CDs. Are they called CDs? Yeah, so that's what's my nightstand. And then we have my bed and my LED light above it says Elocate. I believe we got that on Amazon. I'm pretty sure. So my bedding, this is from Home Goods. Home Goods, yeah, my comforter is Home Goods. This blanket is from Mickey Couture. This brand right here. I love their blankets. I have so many of them. They're so worth the money. They're like the best blankets in the entire world. And then I have this cute little squishmallow thing Jenna got for me. I have this bow pillow. My mom got this for me from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. Guys, I was going through a bow phase. I think everybody was. These old pillows, I kind of want to get rid of these and get new pillows. They're a little like, eh. And then I have, so for my comforter, I have a white duvet underneath. Duvet, or no, I don't know. I think this is just a comforter. I don't know. I have double comforters, so it's like extra fluffy. Then I hand embroider these, well, not hand embroider these. I use my machine and embroider these Sweet Dreams. They're so cute. I literally love them. I'm proud of them because, guys, it's not that easy to embroider stuff. And then over here I have my lamp, which I believe is from like TJ Maxx, and then these little books that are like Dior, Chanel little books that are also from like I believe Marshalls or something, and then the same floating nightstand. And yeah, honestly, that's kind of my room. This is gonna be a quick video, ignoring everything that's underneath my bed. I did not clean that out for y'all. So if you want to see a room tour of my other room, my like closet room, please comment down below. As we've concluded, most of my room is like IKEA or Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Home Sense, like all Amazon, all that kind of stuff. I don't know exactly where my bed is from. It was a crib that turned into a bed. Like, that's how long I've had this bed. So yeah, I don't know exactly where it's from, but I love my room, and I'm glad that y'all, if you stuck to the end of the video, comment down below like a pink heart or something, and then I'll know that you watched the whole video. And yeah, anyways, bye guys. That was a weird ending to this video, but